morning. It is 6:30 a.m. Early Saturday morning. I just picked up a Spark delivery. It is a 2 drop off. What? Wait a minute. It's a 1 drop off for $20.31. But it is a long distance, but I took it because I wanted to just go ahead and get started. And also, I don't mind riding out into the country. It's a beautiful morning, and then I don't have to be at my regular job today. I took off today, so I said, well, let me just go ahead and do some Spark throughout the day. Hopefully I can make at least $100 goal today. Anyway, we're on our way to go pick it up, and I'll meet you when I get there. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart and spot number 1. We're a little early, but we'll just wait. Okay, we got 5 more minutes before they stop bringing it out. I'll be back when I get the order. All right, guys, we got the goods. It's a very small order. I don't know why I thought it was much larger, but it was only like 5 items. So we're gonna go ahead and start this order, and we are going probably like 20, at least 20. Let's see. Ooh, we're going 34 minutes away. That is okay, because we're going to take this wonderful drive across the bridge.
Exit the parking lot for the marketplace.
Moreover, I have given to you.
By the name of our Father. But you turn my fears to night.
I can see
Through every pain, you comforted my heart again. And with a
far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds, in your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be.
Head toward Fort Huger Drive, then turn left onto Fort Huger Drive. Turn left onto Fort Huger Drive.
That order has been dropped off. That was a little far distance, but we are in the country, and sometimes I just like to take that country drive and, clear your thoughts and things. Sometimes just be all into your mind, so you can just take a long drive and clear the thoughts. So now we're just gonna wait on our way back to outside of the town, and going to see hopefully some more good Spark deliveries come in, because my goal today is at least 100 minimum. So I'll be back when I get another order. All right, guys, I just picked up another Spark delivery for $33.34. It is going, so they're very close. The first one is 3.5 miles from the store. The next one is 5.5 miles, and the next one is 4 miles. So they are very close together. It is a 3 drop off. So we're going to wait for the items. And I do see it has, one of the houses has 2 40-ounce case. That's okay because it's at a house. So it was that apartment going upstairs. I would think twice about that one. But anyway, we're going to wait for the order. I'll be back when I get it. All right, guys, we got the goods. The first delivery is going to a house, which is only 8 minutes away. So let's go drop off this order. All right, I'll see you when I get there.
So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold.
The second drop off, which is another 8 minutes away, and it gave some instructions, so we on our way to drop it off.
All night when I close my eyes, I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up, 'cause no one else could make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
To the last drop off, which is an apartment, and it is 10 minutes away, and it did leave a gate code for us to get through the gate. So hopefully that
At
gate,
the stop sign, turn left onto Cherry Acres Drive.
hopefully that gate code will work when we get there. That way we can go ahead and pick up, this is crooked, pick up the next order. We have a goal. So I made my goal $136, and so after this, we drop off this, we got $82 and some change more to make before we make that $136 goal. All right, guys.
Take your next
Let's go drop
right to
this
stay
off.
on.
As you'll be able to see this drop off. I have to go in this building, and I'll be back once I oh man, it's on the 3rd floor too. Oh my god, I'll be back. All right, guys, I just picked up another delivery as I was coming down from the 3rd floor. It is a 2 drop off, which is going, I think it's at 1.7 miles or something like that. Yeah, 1.7 miles. So let's go get this order. Guys, we're here. All right, guys, we got the goods. Let's see how far is the first delivery, which is an apartment. And we are going oh, 6 minutes away. Let's go.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a
Finding that apartment, these numbers is all mixed up. So now that I found it, I'm gonna get a little closer so I can finish dropping off her grocery order.
place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far
last drop off. Needed delivery to my front door. All right, let's see how far it is. It's 7 minutes away. Okay, let's go drop it off.
Babe, I am secure. There is no doubt.
You're not going to be able to see this drop off. Number one, it's not much parking, so I'm going to have to figure out where it is. I'm just going to park here and go walk and figure out like I did last time where the apartment is. I'll be back when I drop it off. All right, all drop-offs has been completed. I have my app to be, oh, sorry about that, guys. I have my app to be on to noon, but I don't like to just be sitting around, so I'm just gonna head to the house, but I'm gonna leave the app on just in case. Let me get out of here, I'll be back. Yeah, what I was saying, I'm gonna leave the app on just in case the order come through, because I still have $72 and what, 6 cents to make before I make my goal today. But if I don't get one, I'm just gonna go to the house, get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back out a little later because I definitely want to make my goal today. But I'll be back, guys, when I get another one. A couple of hours later, many hours later, probably about 4 hours later. It is 2:11 right now. I just picked up another Spark delivery for $16.70, and it is a 2 drop off. So we're on our way to go get it now. I can't remember. It is, let's see, going 5.9 miles. Let's go get this order. All right, guys, I'm at the Walmart, spot number 1. Ready to pick up my items. All right, guys, we're on our way to our first delivery, which is a home. It says there's no gate, no code needed. The issue was not on my, what? The issue is not on my end. It was the delivery company. I don't know what that's about. But anyway, let's go drop this off. It is going, let's see, 10 minutes away. All right, let's go. Evidently, someone must have went in the wrong area, thought they needed a access code to get in. Anyway, we're on our way.
That can't be lived. We'll find a way if we just commit. We are one. There is no them and us. Together we're strong. Together we're free. From the mountaintop down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest valley. Can't you see you will be free? Can't you see you will be free?
Guys, all deliveries has been dropped off, so I'm gonna have to cut this work day short because I'm planning on, let me get out of here, going to my auntie's funeral this week. I thought it was going to be on Saturday, but it's on Friday. So now we're leaving out Thursday and coming back Friday after the funeral. So now I'm going to have to call my job and see if I can take those days off. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for always popping in, commenting, supporting. If you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please come be a part. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.